video how to use the healthiest fruit in the world to repair your kidneys. Catherine here, welcome to Double O Kidney. The health properties this small fruit has are incredible.
Oh yeah!
Wow!
They can really help you on your journey to a better kidney health. Yes, lemon may be the healthiest fruit in the world when it comes to repairing your kidneys. And today I also want to show you an incredible recipe that can help you lower your cholesterol levels, your glucose levels, and that will give you a serious kidney health boost. This recipe uses the whole lemon, so you're not discarding the healthiest parts of the fruit. Wait, what? The juice is not the healthiest part of the lemon.
Wow!
Not many people know this, but that the healthiest parts of the lemon are actually the peel, the pith, and the seeds. So today we are going to learn everything we need to know to really benefit from the kidney health boosting properties of this amazing fruit. Before I show you my detoxing recipe, let's debunk a couple of myths about lemon. Is lemon acidic? Lemon is not actually acidic. When it comes to lemon, don't trust what your tongue says.
Yuck!
While this fruit tastes very bitter, it has a powerful alkalizing effect on your kidneys. Yes, once you digest it, your body will become less acidic. And that's absolutely great for the health of your kidneys. Is lime a less healthy fruit than a lemon? Not at all. Limes and also calamansi are very healthy. I know that many of you guys follow me from the Philippines where lemons are not regularly available. You can always replace lemon with calamansi. This fruit has the same amount of vitamin C per 100 grams of lemon and also shares many of the same health benefits. Is lemon too rich in potassium? This is another very interesting fact about lemon. Lemon is very low in potassium compared to other citrus fruits. A medium-sized lemon contains only about 80 milligrams of potassium, which is perfectly acceptable for any renal diet. For comparison, a medium-sized orange contains 240 milligrams of potassium. Are lemon seeds poisonous? No, they are actually healthy. While many seeds are actually harmful, I'm talking about apple seeds, but also cherry seeds and more, lemon seeds are not just perfectly safe, they are healthy for you. Lemon seeds are so healthy, they are typically found in beauty products, pharmaceuticals, and vitamin supplements. Researchers believe lemon seeds help improve digestive health, treat skin problems due to their antibacterial properties. They are also richer in vitamin C than lemon juice. Is the juice the healthiest part of the lemon? Not at all. This is another myth about lemons that needs to be debunked. The pith and the peel are actually the healthiest parts of the lemon. The pith is good for you because it's incredibly rich in dietary fiber, which is going to help you feel fuller and lower your glucose levels. And the pith is also a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients, way more than lemon juice. So, what many people do with lemons is to just squeeze them for the juice and discard all the peel and the pith. Don't do it! Instead, use the whole lemon, preferably an organic lemon, to prepare this incredibly healthy smoothie. Now guys, this smoothie is amazing! It has blood pressure lowering properties, it's alkaline, and it also has diuretic properties to detox your kidneys. Let's see how to make it. This is a very easy recipe. First, let's put in a blender 1 stalk of celery. Celery is the best friend of your urinary tract and kidneys. It has powerful detoxing and diuretic properties. Great to lower your blood pressure! Second ingredient, 1 small apple. Just like lemons, apples have powerful cholesterol lowering and anti-diabetes properties. Notice that I have also used the peel from the apple. Now let's add some ice cubes and start mixing with some water. Time to add 1 lemon, possibly organic, and with the peel. Very good! Last ingredient, cilantro. Cilantro is a herb related to parsley that has been used by Ayurveda medicine for thousands of years. It fights infections, helps to lower blood sugar levels, prevents urinary tract infections, reduces anxiety, soothes skin rashes, improves digestion, and has many other health benefits. Let's mix everything for a couple of minutes or until smooth. Ready to drink? Let me know if you like my recipe. And guys, did you know that mixing lemon with garlic is scientifically proven to lower your cholesterol levels? There are studies confirming that eating 4 cloves of garlic with 2 tablespoons of lemon can be incredibly healthy. To achieve this, garlic needs to be prepared in a special way. Do you want to know how to do it? My video up here has all the answers. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.